Hi guys, in this short video I'm gonna tell you that how you can fix app crashing problem in your iPhone that is updated to iOS 17. So if you are also facing the app crashing problem in your iPhone that is being updated to iOS 17, you have found the right video. Make sure to watch the video till end to solve the app crashing problem. So there are three steps basically that can help you fix the app crashing problem. The first step is to turn off your iPhone and then restart it. In order to do this, press the volume up and volume down button and the power button simultaneously like this. Now slide the button to the right side and your iPhone will be turned on. Then you will have to press the power button until the Apple logo appears and your iPhone will be restarted and your app crashing problem will be solved. The second thing that you can do to fix the app crashing problem is to delete the app and reinstall it. For example, my Facebook app is crashing. I will simply long press on it, click on remove app and delete app, and then click on delete, and then go to App Store and simply search for Facebook and install it again like this. All you will have to do is to install it from here after deleting it and your app crashing problem will be solved. The third thing that you can do is to free up your iPhone space. So first of all you will have to open the settings, then you will have to go to general and then click on iPhone storage. Now here you can find your iPhone storage. You can see 33 GB is being used, and if your iPhone storage is being used more than 55 or 60 GB, then you will have to free up the space if you are facing the app crashing problem in the iOS 17. So I hope you have found the video helpful. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting tutorials related to iPhone and Android.